Today we're diving into the secret weapon of online retail. What we're talking about? We're talking about free shipping, but a little bit different to what we've done previously. We're talking about free shipping for specific products. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is ensure that you're logged into Shopify. Once you're logged into Shopify, what you want to do is you want to go right down to the very bottom of your Shopify dashboard and click on settings. Now these settings it's kind of a general dashboard for all of your settings for Shopify, but what we're actually interested in is looking at shipping and delivery. So simply just click on the shipping and delivery icon just there, and you'll come to the main shipping and delivery page. Now, if we were just going to edit the general shipping rates that we have for the store already, what we would do is we'd actually click into this one here that says general shipping rates. But what we're actually interested in doing is actually creating a custom shipping rate. And the reason why we do this is it's specific to a product. So it's not general shipping, this is for specific products. And if you look here, it says create a new profile to add custom rates or destination restrictions for groups of products. All right, so what you do is just click into create new profile. And then what we need to do is give it a name. So if we just say funky products, and then what we can do here, guys, if you get to spell this right, what we can do is you can click on add products, and then you can add whatever products you want to actually have within this profile called funky products. Obviously you can call it whatever you want. For this particular one, I'm going to do a specific, let's go for the large lockbox that I have on this store. So you can actually have shipping offers for specific product colors as well, but we're going to go for both SKUs on this and click on done. So now that we've added the lockbox, what we need to do now is choose a fulfillment location. So we've got the shop location here, but we actually need to add a new shipping zone for where we're actually shipping it to for this product. So we're going to still keep it for the UK. So if we keep this funky UK, and then we search for United Kingdom, click on there, which basically chooses the United Kingdom. And then obviously you can choose regions as well. So we've got British Forces, got England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, Wales. If we were going to choose the US, obviously there's 62 different states you can choose as well. Or you can just click on here and it'll choose all of the states. But for now, we're going to choose all of the UK. So we're just going to click on this tab here. Click on done. And then from here, what we need to do is we need to set the rate. So all you need to do is click on add rate. And you can either use a flat rate or you can go for user, carrier, or app to calculate rates. Now for this particular video, we're going to use the flat rate here. There's no apps installed for the delivery or carriers. We're just going to use a flat rate for this example. So you just click on add rate. We're not going to use the carrier. You're going to use the flat rate. And then we've got a choice here. By default, it gives you two options. It gives you Express 1 to 3 business days or standard 2 to 4 business days. Okay, so we're just going to go for the Express 1 to 3 days, and this is where the free comes in. So you've got options. You can either put in your price here. So if you wanted to charge £10, you put in £10 there, or if you wanted to do the free shipping, which is what this video is about, you just type in 00 there. It shows you the checkout preview there. So checkout preview is free for 1 to 3 business days. Click done. And as you can see here, so for this product, we're choosing the large lockbox, delivering in the UK, Express 1 to 3 business days, and it's free. And if you wanted to actually create that shipping profile, just click on save, and that's saved there for us. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the store, find that product, and see if this works. So we're going to navigate to secure lockboxes. This is the actual product that we just added. Click on the product. We're going to do scroll down, and again it's going to be the same because we actually chose either black or grey, so we chose both SKUs. Add to cart, and then view cart, and as you can see we've got the estimated total there, $31.99. Go to checkout, and if we enter a dummy shipping address, so just put in some dummy details there, and as you can see it's going to be delivered into the UK with that free shipping just there for that particular product. Now wait, before you run off to go and implement that, let me hit you with a mind-blowing stat. Did you know that 93% of online buyers are encouraged to buy more products if shipping options are available? That's right, we're not just talking about moving one product here. We're talking about potentially upselling your customers without lifting a finger. So now that we've actually set up targeted shipping, you're probably wondering yourself, how can I make things even better for my store? Well, in my next video entitled How to Write Product Descriptions with ChatGPT That Sell for E-commerce, we're going to unlock the AI-powered secret of actually writing better product descriptions for your store. I'm going to show you how easy it is. I'm going to show you how fast it is to write your product descriptions. So click on the video link to continue your domination in your niche. I'm Des from the Ecom Corner, and I'll see you in the next video.